Darington is ready for liftoff! I'm flying! Hey! Put me down!
Darington! The scorpion buried him!
The sand is too soft! I can't get traction!
And this sandstorm is blocking our view. We can't see where we're going.
You are in a sandstorm. Sand is made of tiny rock particles that are loose and shifting.
Regular tires will sink, and your eyes cannot penetrate the dust cloud. But don't worry, I have the perfect engineering upgrades for you. Anti-dust goggles. They use thermal sensors to see heat signatures through the sand.
Sending upgrades now.
I can see. The thermal sensors are working. Hang on, Darington. We're coming.
Look at that display. We can see right through the dust. It's an army of mini scorpions. They're blocking the way. Blaze! Use your shovel tires to spray sand at them.
Great idea, AJ. Nothing can stop us now. Hang on, Darington. We're digging you out.
Wait! The wind moves the sand. If we can make a wind strong enough, we can blow the sand away.
Oh no! It's filling the hole back up!
We can't dig fast enough. The sand keeps flowing back. Then let's make some wind. Blazing speed. Hold on tight. Here we go. It's starting to work.
Look! Under its belly, that glowing core controls it. If we hit that button, the scorpion will shut down.
I can't stop to hit it, AJ. If I slow down, the sand comes back.
Oh, no, you don't! Maximum velocity!
Ugh, that was a dizzy ride. Don't worry, Darington. My tow cable is on the way! Yeehaw! I'm out! Look! The storm is gone, too! Your shovel tires used friction to move the sand. And the centrifugal force of the whirlwind lifted it away. Just gotta get this sand off. You know, I think I'm done with sand jumps for a while. Next time, I'll try jumping over water.
Maybe we should bring life jackets next time.
Leeds, Blade!